grace. And interesting question. You just started the book of Hosea. Why would God have Hosea marry a prostitute? What is Hosea's connection to the other prophets?
Well, first of all, when you look at a lot of the prophets, they were almost embodying certain parts of their message. Like Isaiah was called to walk naked and barefoot in Isaiah 20 for a season, and Jeremiah wears this yoke on his head to kind of symbolize the yoke that the whole nation is under in Jeremiah 27. Ezekiel lays on his side for 430 days. Can you imagine? And he's forbidden to mourn his wife's dead, Ezekiel 24. So in each of these cases, what you find is their life becomes a message. With Hosea, it is unique. He is called, and most likely, we talked about that, he wasn't going out marrying a prostitute. He's marrying someone who's going to be unfaithful. And that unfaithfulness is going to be a picture of the unfaithfulness of the very nation of Israel, and what's going to happen to them as a result. So it's, look, Israel's a naughty child, one put it, and Israel's a bad student, and there's lots of different ways he's conveying their sin. With Gomer, Hosea's wife, she's an unfaithful wife. And, so marriage is given in Hosea 1, the betrayal in Hosea 2, the redemption in Hosea 3. Because even in this story of apostasy and judgment is this beautiful, some of the most amazing promises that are showing the restoration of God's people in the end. And listen, I think it's a powerful picture. In one sense, you see him saying he's done with them. He's divorced them. They're going to be scattered. That's it. It's over. And then the next moment he says, in the end, he's going to gather them. They'll be like the sand of the sea. They're going to be without number. So, when people think of God being done with Israel today, they need to account for passages in Hosea. Mm-hmm. Because Hosea is predicting a future glory. The tribes join together. The one who will reign on the throne will be with them. So David, the son of David, literally is Messiah. So yeah, you have a great promise for Israel in the end. Even though they were divorced, if you will, they're restored.
All right.